Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to show you a die. This is the die to make the sequins, and we didn't make it into mass production yet. So it's just a sample, and so you can see how the die looks like. And we just want to know if you like this kind of die. If yes, please leave me comment so we will know you want it and we will produce this die. So this is the die and I'll show you how it cut out. So it's like this. And I also cut the silver color so you can see how the fold lines show in the cardstock. And this is the red one, and this is the rose gold color. And about the size, the smallest one is about 7 millimeters, and then it's the smallest one is about 6 millimeters, and then 7 millimeters, and this is 8 millimeters, and this one is 9 millimeters, and this one is 1 centimeter. So this is the size from small to large. So please leave me comment if you want this die or not. And also we have this one. So this is the background stamp for the slimline cars in our sunburst style. So the size is perfect for the 4x9 inches slimline cars. So these yeah, I also have this one that we have these blender brushes. So we have this pink color, so it's a little like a little light purple and pink color. And we have this black one. So you will get this brush also with this container, and also have this one. And I have made a test on these brushes, so it looks like this. So I think it blends quite well on the cardstock. And we sold them 2 pieces per set. So you will get 2 pieces in one lot. And if you want, one color of this one and one color of this one, just leave us a message in the order so we will know. So these are all I want to share today, and we have more dies coming tomorrow, and I'll make samples and show you as soon as possible. So please don't forget to leave me comment if you like this die. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.